The air filter is right here. You have bolt in here, some here, and then here. There's more space, you have to do it anyway. Now you can remove the old air filter. You have to just like screw back left, and then it's done. I have some case of oil in here which is loose. I'm gonna put it in back because it doesn't come with air filter. This is it actually. So I'm gonna grab the new filter and put it in here. Just like the new one. Just find the right spot, make sure it's all the way in, and then screw it right. Just like that. And that's it. Torx 20, put all the screws back in. Make sure you don't tighten too much. Just a bit of feeling. I'm doing something like this, and then I'm gonna cross pattern it to make the seal sit level, even. And the last screw right in the back, which is really bad spot. I'm gonna be careful because losing this could be pain in the ass. No. Just like that. I'm gonna make sure it's tight. Over it. For the air filter.